Tripura hasteo tebo kaham saknai mungni sepsabrani sanai AIMS Delhi bai kok mau sakhor khlaika haste hapang montriokra. AGMC bai GB hospital no medical hub snamnani bagai kok saka montriokra. Tripura ni sakhamni sepsabrano tebo phangrang khlaiki sanani tai hasteni lukurangno tebo kaham sepsabrani nahar mukti tini Tripura hapangni sakhamtai nukung hamkalai khong tai Delhi katalni All India Institute of Medical Science o kaisa mau sakhor khlailekha Delhi katalni Tripura bobono songjak o khalaimani pano manjakha montriokra Dr. Manik Saha bosaka hasteni medical college no khobai haste tai hangkor beremni hospital no tebo sakotor beremni khlainani naharmung baino reng tai super specialty sepsapni center o slamna bagai o sangbotang hli sai khna rakabo.
God's blessing. Because we want this to give tangible results.
Yeah, this is very important. CME workshops, they will go ahead with the patient care. Once in a while, they find out patient is not doing well. What do I do? Feedback will come. It's a complete connect. It is like an extension of services from AIMS. That we should do it.